On Friday, the Enforcement Directorate or ED arrested the founder of Jet Airways, Naresh Goyal. ED arrested him after questioning him for several hours as part of its money laundering investigation related to an alleged bank fraud of around 538.62 crore rupees. Goyal was brought to the city from Delhi by an ED team on Friday afternoon. Sources said that Goyal was in Delhi to attend a court hearing related to a probe by the Serious Fraud Investigation Office when an ED team asked him to accompany them to Mumbai for questioning. He was placed under arrest at around 11 pm after being questioned for over 6 hours in the agency's office in Worli. He will be produced in the PMLA court on Sunday for remand by the agency. The agency had twice summoned him for questioning in the case earlier, but he had not allegedly appeared, citing certain emergencies. The ED's money laundering case is based upon a May 3rd FIR registered by the CBI against Jet Airways India Limited or JIL. The FIR was registered against Goyal, his wife Anita, and former company executive Gaurang Anand Shetty and unknown public servants and private persons in connection with the alleged fraud at Canara Bank. On July 19th, the agency had carried out searches in connection with the case at 7 locations in Mumbai and 1 location in Delhi. The CBI registered its case based on a complaint in November 2022 from Canara Bank in Mumbai. The case, registered under sections of the Indian Penal Code and Prevention of Corruption Act, related to the alleged offences of cheating, criminal conspiracy, criminal breach of trust and criminal misconduct against the accused for causing the bank a loss of 538.62 crore rupees. The bank alleged that it had sanctioned credit limits and loans to JIL to the tune of 848.86 crore rupees, of which 538.62 crore rupees was outstanding. The loan account was declared an alleged fraud in July 2021. The bank had alleged that the forensic audit conducted in the accounts of Jet Airways India Limited revealed alleged fraudulent features like diversion and siphoning of funds. It was also alleged that funds were diverted through the Jet Light India Limited. In February, the Bombay High Court had quashed a money laundering case lodged by the ED against Goyal and his wife based on a Mumbai police case to probe charges of cheating and forgery on a complaint from Akbar Travels.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.